I was just working on a little project where I was inserting a video into Teams in a couple of different ways, and I was just suddenly just kind of overwhelmed by the number of options you have here, and so I stopped that project to kind of make this video. First thing I did was I went into a team, I decided which channel I want this to appear in, so I'm going to say it's related to my content in Unit 1, and I just clicked on the plus tab here to add a new stream video, and it let me insert the URL. So here's my stream video embedded right here into my channel. The different kinds of options that I have here include I can open it in a new tab, so that's right up here. I can open it as a pop-out tab. So that's actually, to me, that's a new feature. I don't know how long it's been here, but that's something I have not tried in Teams. I'm still in Teams, but I can pop this out as a separate window. And I can go full screen. Full screen is right down here. Okay, I can also open it directly in Stream, so that also opens it in a new tab, like we see here. So a few ways to do that. And on the side here, I have the ability to reply here. I can chat. I can say something about this. I can even give it a thumbs up here. Say, yeah, thanks for sharing this, right? And so where does that appear? Well, one place that appears is right here inside of the chat, inside of this tab. I'm in Unit 1. Because I put it as a tab here, I also had it set so that it would also post. So you see here's the word chat, here's that thumbs up. It's out here in the posts. And if I reply to this here, I can go back to that tab, and you can see that conversation is carried over into this area. Another option I have is to add it to file. So that was in Stream, but here I just chose to upload the file, and it's available right here. And if I do it this way, then my students are able to download this, right? So they have that additional option, and you can click to play again right here inside of Teams. Okay, so this is just uploaded as an MP4. You can again go full screen, right? And once again, there's a conversation button. So if I start the conversation, this is just like the conversations you can have when you upload a Word document or a PowerPoint into the files area. So here's more options for chat, and this is the standard Teams like rich text formatting. There's all kinds of things you can do here. It's not just type in a comment. This is one of my favorite things about the chat in Teams is I can post a screenshot in there. So I love being able to put screenshots. When you post a screenshot in Teams chat, if you click on it, you can see it larger, and then you can download it. You can zoom in on it. So whoever you're sharing this with can download that if needed. All right, so where else does this chat appear? Well, let's go out to posts. And you can see here's what I uploaded to the Stream tab and that conversation. Here's the file that I uploaded, and when I uploaded that file, it also posts into the Posts tab as well. And again, if I reply to that chat and then go back into the files, when I open that item, there's my reply here. Right, so that's one of the things that I love about Teams is that no matter where you get to items on Teams, and there's always multiple places that you can get to them, I don't need to actually go into the files area to give some feedback about this. I can actually give my feedback right here, and the application for that might not be as obvious for a video, but if this was a Word document that we were collaborating on, I could make comments about it right here without having to go into opening the file or even opening the Word document there. So we have in the files area, you can get to the video. We have adding the video as a tab inside of Teams. And we have where it's appearing in the posts. I can also, this works with new conversation or reply. We have a stream button right here. So I can actually, without creating a new tab here, I can post that same link all over again. Copy that here and paste it. right? And so I've just added it here yet another way. So multiple ways to utilize videos within Teams. And that's what Teams really excels at, is just options, 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 as well as integration. So all of those options integrate well with one another. Now, since we are in a class team, we'll go ahead and show you one additional way that you can add a video or utilize a video inside of Teams. So I'm going to go to my general channel where my assignments tab is, or you can also get to assignments over here on the left. I'm going to click Create a new assignment, and I'm going to give it a very specific title called Random Assignment. And this is not a video on assignments in Teams, so that's the only thing you have to. That's the only thing that says it's required. Lots and lots of other options on here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click to add a resource. One of my resource types is a URL. Stream videos have their own URL. And so it's going to work to pull that title from the video. I happen to know that the title is Equation in Word. So we'll go ahead and type that in, give it some help, and click Attach. So there's my attachment. I can give other instructions. I can add other resources. I can add documents for students to reply on, things like that. But I have now added a video to my assignment. Now we can go ahead and assign it. And we can see that it has now posted. We get the little pop-up here. Also have a message over here under Activities. And I currently have my default setting for assignments. We happen to be in Unit 2 right now, so my default setting is assignments will post to Units 2, and here it is. And so my students can click to view that assignment. And there's that link. So you can, in Teams assignments, view to see what it looks like to the students. And that's one additional option for using videos inside of Teams if it is a class team. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click below to subscribe. And if you liked the ideas you saw here, consider purchasing my book, All the Microsoft Tools You Need to Transform Your Classroom.